We are here right now at Isuzu Tesla Auto Mechanic Training Center for the graduation ceremony of our batch 19 schoolers.
Our batch 19 graduates is composed of 16 graduates, and we are very honored and lucky for Tesla to be a part of those 16 graduates, and we're really positive that these graduates will be a player in the automotive industry, not only in our country, not only in Region 8, but globally. It means that all the skill sets, what they have learned during the course of their 2 years training here, earning in C1, in C2, in C3, and in C4, yes, they are marketable in the arena of automotive servicing in the world.
Masaya po ako na makagraduate dito sa TESDA Auto Mechanic Training Center. Kasi sa dami ng mga experience na napagdaanan dito, napakaraming mga challenges. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga sumuporta para sa amin sa pag-aaral namin dito. Sa TESDA, Isuzu at saka sa World Vision po. Napakasaya po ng experience dito sa 2 taon na stay namin dito sa training. Mga challenges po na na-experience ko dito is kasi nga po hindi po ako isang pagpasok ko po dito, hindi po ako isang ganap na automotive technician at saka wala po kong kalam-alam sa automotive. So yun po yung napakalaking challenge para sa akin. Pero sa paglipas po ng mga maraming panahon, sa 2 taon na pag-train namin dito, nalagpasan ko naman po yung mga pagsubok mo.
This is a very exciting program, a promising program actually for our scholars. And through the years, for 15 years now of our partnership, TESDA, Isuzu, and World Vision, we are able to provide opportunity for our scholars to be employed, not just in the Philippines, but even around the world. And I'm so happy actually and so proud to share that I think almost 100% of our graduates are employed now. Message ko to all the scholars of Amtrak in Tacloban City na partnership ng TESDA, Isuzu at ng World Vision is for them to not give up. You know, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for them, and we're hoping that this will be a bridge for them to be employed, but also a bridge for them to have hope for a better future.